folks, I'm Dominic Iocca, and I'm going to be your mobility specialist here at Freedom Motors. One of the biggest advantages I have to working at Freedom Motors is the opportunity to offer you our innovative rear entry conversions, like this 2023 Kia Telluride. Our rear entry conversions are very easy to use. You've got your Kia key fob to open and close the tailgate. And then, using the Freedom Motors key fob, press and hold down number 1 to deploy the ramp. Our automatic ramps are ran by a marine-grade hydraulic pump system, which is more durable and a lot more reliable than electric motors. You will never be stuck in or out of the vehicle. You can always put the ramp up and down by hand. And on the back tailgate, we offer an emergency release. We also offer the Telluride in a manual ramp conversion that is spring assisted to make lifting and lowering a breeze. At Freedom Motors, we make our lowered floors and our ramps out of aluminized and stainless steel. We offer the highest quality materials and are still able to give you the best price possible. Big advantage to the rear entry is that unlike a side entry where you're only going to get 28.5 to 30 inches, our ramps are going to give you starting out at 33. Plenty of room to get up and down and feel very safe doing it. Our lowered floors in here are also coated with a rubberized commercial grade flooring instead of carpeting. It makes it very, very easy to keep clean and keep looking brand new. In between our middle rows, you're going to have about 22 inches. So most average power chairs are going to fit in here just fine. And most of your manual chairs are going to fit in here about halfway. These seats are just a little bit more narrow than your OEM seats, but it makes it so it gives you more room in between them to fit the wheelchair. They're very comfortable, they recline, and they look wonderful. Our Kia Telluride is offered with 2 different style floors. This one featured here is our full cut that goes all the way to the back of the front row. We also offer it with a half cut, which will go right to the back of the second row, leaving the second row in OEM. Another great advantage to a rear entry vehicle is the fact that you get to keep everything up in the front row completely OEM. So you don't miss out on any of the style that you actually pay for and all the great features. For your convenience, we offer a toggle switch to work your conversion, and it's located right here underneath the dash. As always, we greatly appreciate you giving us the opportunity to not only earn your business, but to help you find your freedom. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit us on our website at freedommotors.com or give us a call at 1-800-625-6335.